Gemba walk is a fundamental aspect of the lean manufacturing philosophy. It involves a tour of the shop floor by the managers, where they observe processes and interact with the team members, helping them gain valuable insights on the company's day-to-day operations. Traditionally, Gemba walks are conducted by the use of physical checklists and sheets. Managers take notes and manually assign tasks through emails or text messages, resulting in higher turnaround times and loss in productivity. At ITHENA, we help businesses overcome these challenges and maximize shop floor productivity by digitizing their Gemba walks. iGEMBA, our digital Gemba solution, is the industry's most flexible, intuitive, and integrated Gemba walk tool that not only digitizes daily huddles on the factory floor but also helps in easy visualization of shop floor data, generates actionable insights and gain real-time visibility, standardizes checklists to resolve issues faster, and increases visibility into individual tasks and responsibilities. Join ITHENA to embark on your Industry 4.0 journey now by digitizing your Gemba walks.